uploading on YouTube has ever felt like a maze of confusing settings, then don't worry, because this is the tutorial you need. I am walking you through the entire upload page, step by step, so that you know exactly what every button and box does. This is Learn with Lydia, where you get simple, clear tips to help you grow on YouTube, one smart step at a time. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get straight into the tutorials. If you are uploading with your phone, head over to any browser of your choice and type studio.youtube.com. This way you will have all the uploading features enabled. Again, it will make it appear in the desktop format. For this case, I'm using Google as my browser, and on the search bar, I'm going to type YouTube dashboard. The YouTube dashboard website will appear, then click on it. Then it will bring you to your channel dashboard where you will have to upload a video. And to upload a video, you can either choose create or use this arrow pointing up. Let's click on create, then upload video. Then you'll have to select files. When you select on the files, it will take you to the gallery and select a video that you want to upload. The first step when your video is uploading, or when it is already uploaded, it will bring you to this phase where you will be required to put your video details, and you will begin with the title. The title is the first impression. Yours is to make it clear, searchable, and clickable. No clickbaits, just value plus curiosity. And make sure the first keywords of your video is in the first 70 characters. Make sure your video title is the same as your file name. My video file name is how to get more views. They can either be the same or just add a little twist on it. Like for this case, you can see my file name is how to get more views and subscribers fast. And my video title is increase subscribers and views fast on YouTube. Just a little twist on the file name, but most of the times you can leave them the same. Moving forward is the description. Description is your video supporting text. Tell people what your video is about. You can always add links to your social or even your playlist, and maybe even timestamps, as you can see if the video is long. These are the timestamps. You can also add call to actions in your descriptions. The first 2 lines are what viewers see first, so make them count. It is important to make them count. Descriptions with keywords can also help viewers find your videos easily in search. Moving forward is the thumbnails. This is your visual hook. You can upload a custom image that grabs attention and fits your content. Here you have to think of bold text, expressive faces, and bright colors. YouTube also gives you 3 options that you can use. You can always upload from file or auto-generate, and then test and compare. This is when you are not sure of your thumbnails. If you are that kind of a person who is not always sure of your thumbnail, if your thumbnail is good or bad, then you can come here and do a test run. And when the result is out, use what comes out as the best as your thumbnail. Moving forward is the playlist. Always add your video to a playlist if it fits. It is very important. This one helps you to group related videos together and keep people binge watching your stuff. Next is the audience. Is this made for kids? You have to say if your video is made for kids or not. It affects how it's shown or what features are available. For instance, if this video is a yes, made for kids, the features that will not be available are like the comment section. It is important to make it clear if it is a yes, it's made for kids, or no, it is not made for kids, because it is also required by law. Next is the paid promotion. If you are getting paid by a brand in the video, tick this box. It is just a transparency thing for viewers. Moving forward is the altered content. If you are using AI to create your videos, it is important to disclose with a yes. And if you are not using AI to create your videos, it is also important to disclose with a no. Remember, disclosing whether you are using AI to create your content or not will not affect your video's performance in any way. it is important to disclose it. That's why YouTube has put this feature here, so that it can know the right audience to set your videos to. Maybe your audience are those people who like AI content. It will push the video to AI viewers. And also, if your audience are those people that are not people who are watching AI related content, it will still push your video to that audience. So it is important to disclose. It doesn't affect your video's performance in any way. Moving forward is the automatic chapters. YouTube can add clickable sections to your video if you have this on. It can also detect topics or concepts in your video to help with discoverability. You can choose to let it happen or turn it off. Next is the featured places. If your video is location based like travel vlogs, you can tag a place. It's not necessary but useful if it is relevant. Moving forward is the tags. Tags are not super important these days, but they can still help YouTube to understand your content. Next in the list is the language and captions certification. Set the language of your video. If it is English, set it as English. If you have uploaded subtitles, you can make them certified. If you don't have subtitles, no worries, just leave it as none. Next is the recording date and location. Recording date and location helps to organize your content, and sometimes it helps with SEO. It is especially useful for the news, for news or event related content. Moving forward is the licenses. By default, it is always standard licenses. Choose standard license unless you want others to use your content freely. Most people stick with standard license. Are we together? If we are together, if you have watched this video till this far, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Moving forward is allow embedding. Allow embedding lets people to share your video on websites or blogs. Keep it on if you want reach. We have published to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Check if you want your subscribers to know if you dropped a video. Make it yes if you want this. Moving forward is the shorts remixing. This is big. You can let others remix your content into YouTube shorts. This is free publicity. It has 3 options. Allow video and audio remixing, allow only audio remixing, and don't allow remixing. It's up to you, but remixing can help with discoverability. Moving forward is the category. Pick a general category that matches your video, like education, entertainment, how to. If you click this arrow, you will find all the categories that you can put your video in, depending with your niche. Like for instance, you can see my category is how to and style. Choosing a category helps YouTube recommend your video better. And next is the comments and ratings. Here you can either choose whether people can comment, or if you want the likes and the dislikes to be shown. If you are not sure, just leave it on because comments is equal to engagement. Show how many viewers like this video. You can choose whether likes and dislikes are shown, like I have said it. Then let's move forward to video elements. Under the video elements, we have the subtitles, end screens, and cards. Subtitles. If you have subtitles, upload them here. It makes your video accessible and boosts your reach. Then moving forward to end screens and cards. These are like pop-ups that suggest other videos, links, or playlists. So to add an end screen, you just need to click on add. You will have end screens options. These are end screens options. Let's say you like this one. Let's click on it. Like you can see, we have already added an end screen on this video. So what you have to do is to click on save. For cards, it's also the same process. Just click on add, click on a video. You can see this small pop-up that suggests another video. That is a card. Moving forward is the checks. Let's move to checks. Checks is for YouTube to check if your video has any copyright issue. Like for instance, you can see copyright issue not found. There is this tick here. And if there is any copyright issue, you will be notified. Moving on is the visibility. You can choose to leave your video as private, where only you and people you choose can watch your video, or share it privately. You can also choose to leave it as unlisted, where anyone with the video link can watch your video. You can also choose to leave it as public, where everyone can watch your video. You can also choose to schedule your video if it is time sensitive, where it will go live later. It is super helpful for planning ahead. It also gives YouTube time to do what they do for the video internally before they set it to the right audience. I would recommend scheduling your videos first before letting it go public or before letting it go live. When you finish with the visibility, all you need to do is to click on save, then publish. And that's it. You have just learned how to upload a video on YouTube the right way. Now you are not just throwing content out there, you are uploading like a pro. Clean titles, smart settings, visibility control, and optimized reach. So next time you upload, don't rush it. Take a few minutes and set your video up for success. Smash that like button if this video helped. And subscribe for more tips like this every week. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.